Hey GED students, it's GED question of the day time, and I'm still trying to build your common sense about percentages here. So let's take a look. It says, what is 8.6% of 100? And if you think, this problem seems too easy, is this a trick problem? No, I really wanted a straightforward problem here. Notice that I said, what is 8.6% of 100. This is actually a very straightforward problem because of what does percent means. Do you know what percent means? Literally, the word percent. Per means out of, that's one way to think of it. And cent, literally like a century has 100 years, means 100. So percent means 100. If I say 8.6%, I'm talking about 8.6 out of every 100. So for every 100 things you have, take 8.6 of them. So I said here, what is 8.6% of 100? Well, I'm going to take 8.6 out of every 100, and I have 100. So guess what? It's just 8.6. I didn't need to do any scratch work with decimals down the side of my paper. This was a really common sense problem. Now, if this had said, what is 8.6% of 43? Okay, now that's a different issue. It's not out of 100. Now I've got to do some math. But we really need to have the common sense here that we don't get fooled by silly little problems like this before we start working on step by step for how to do percentages. So 8.6 is my answer. If you have any questions about this or any other GED math topic, be sure to drop it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer it.